Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. And I would like to share a tutorial, especially this tutorial is based on questions from Mahnoor Ilyas. So he's asking about this: can anyone help me to find this template on Canva or something similar so that I can recreate it? Alright, so actually this one you can recreate this one in Canva, and I'm going to show you how to make it this one. Alright, so guys, before we continue, I just would like to introduce myself. My name is Sius Ramaha, come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So guys, for those who are not yet Canva Pro users, if your account is not yet upgrade to Canva Pro users, you can click this link on this video descriptions. This one is official link from Canva. I was affiliated with Canva, so it's good to upgrade your account so that you can get all access inside Canva. And this one you can recreate it this one by choosing these tools, draw tools. There is a draw tools in all here, and you can find out here. You just click down on more over here, and then there's a draw over here, draw beta, and you just click this draw and choose marker and make it like a 60 something, and choose white color, right? And then this one you can recreate something like this, okay? Because I don't use pen, I don't have a pen tool, so I'm using a mouse, so that's why it seems like I cannot make it. But if you just random, so you can make it, alright? Random, something like random, yeah, you can recreate. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Once you get this one, now we need to duplicate it, this one, and so this one we need to make it transparent, and we need assistance from element. There's one element here, its name is blob. This one is a usual, I always use this blob to make it transparent. So over here, later on, this transparent. Okay, change the color, become pink. Yes, so because this is the secret over here later on. In here, the secret. Okay, change this color, become pink. And if you're curious to know what is the hex code over here, F1 3BB3, so that's the hex code. So as long as this one is pink, no worries. So, and put on the top of it, put on the top. After you put on the top of it, right, and then you can download it. Choose PNG and transparent, and check with which page you're working on, and after that, done, and download. Alright, so after downloaded, so we need to upload back again, and we need to put this on the other page. Once we put this on the other page, now the things we need to do is we need to make it this one transparent to erase this white color. So we need to just click over this image and edit image, and then click background remover. Now after you click the background remover, so now we get a transparent. Alright, and I apply on it. Once you apply, so that you can give a photo or something, whatever photo you would like over there. So I just would like to give this photo and put a background. So once you put this one on the background and you get a good position on it, okay, so you need to crop these things, crop this and crop this. Alright, so once you crop over this, and you can change the color. If you like to make it white, no worries, you just use these tools over here, the adjust bright button all the way forward and contrast all the way forward, and the saturation all the way back. But this is the first way to change the color become white, but there is other way. Okay, there is other way how to change this color. Okay, I'm gonna show you and reset this one. The other way to change this color is just go to duotone and then click again and change all this color become white, and this one become white as well, and after that apply on it. Alright, so once you get it one, you apply on it. So now the things what you're gonna do is you need to this one download it back again to be, and choose PNG and absolutely, and of course choose transparent background and check which page are you going, and done, and then after that download it. And the same thing as well, once you download it and upload back again. So we need to repeat the same thing. Once you download and upload, and now we need to erase these things, right? Okay, so we need to get the result same like what you just mentioned over here, right? Okay, so we need to wait, and we need to remove the background. Now we got it, so we got the things over here. Okay, so we got the things that you just mentioned, and then apply on it. And after you apply on it, so if you like to give some shadow over it, you just go to shadow and click one more time, and you can arrange the shadow. Okay, you can arrange the shadow and put as you like. You can change the color as well, become white, and size of the shadow, transparency you can change, and blur, so you can change. Okay, so it's up to you which shadow are you going to use. I'm going to use the shadows over here is black, right, and blur. Yes, I'm going to use like that. Okay, if you think this one is if you are happy what you design, so you apply on it and done. So it doesn't take too much time, so done in short time. Okay, so this is all about, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as I told you, you can repeat how to make this one, and it's easy. Alright, you don't have to use other applications, you just use the secret over here, right, between this blob with color pink and white color. So you must follow these steps so to get this result. Alright, so I hope you understand, and I hope you can make it after watching this tutorial. And once again, thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to support. But if you don't like to get any notifications from this channel, You don't have to subscribe. You just watch. That's fair enough. All right. Thank you, and I hope become a solution for this case. And enjoy your creativity. Bye bye.